what? Welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. And if you are new, make sure you guys click the subscribe button so you're part of the family, because I do upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. But as you guys can tell by the title, today I'm doing a whole video around winter layering hacks, kind of like winter clothing hacks. I did one of these last year. The sun needs to stay up or down because it is confused right now. So I just did a video on my top 5 winter jackets, and kind of like I showed some winter outfits in those videos, so definitely check that video out. Leave a comment by telling me what your favorite season is. I'm curious to know. And if you guys want to see more ways that I style winter outfits, just follow me on my Instagram. It's at NicolettaXOYT. It always means so much when you guys join me on there. But let's just jump into the video. Don't know what that was. A lot of these winter clothing hacks are winter layering hacks on how to look cute in layers but still stay super warm. To start off any winter outfit, I think there's 2 pieces that are essential to start off your outfit, and that is just a bodysuit and a pair of leggings. In particular, I definitely recommend fleece lined leggings so that it adds an extra warmth to the inside of your leggings. It is going to just keep you so much more warm. The reason why I love bodysuits especially too is because when you are going to layer on top of it, it's not going to bulk up or bulge up because it gives you more of that slim silhouette. So once you have your base layers on, it is time to move on and add the pants of your choice for that day. I just went for a pair of skinny jeans, and you can honestly wear anything on top of these leggings. This base layer isn't super thick, so it's not going to add any weird lines or bulk. You still want to look cute and feel comfortable as well. A tip I have for you is to always have some knee-high socks in your wardrobe. So this is going to add an extra layer on top of your pants. So I just put a pair of knee-high socks on top of my jeans, and a hack I have for you is to wear thigh-high boots. They are not only super sexy, but they're basically a long sock for your entire leg. So at this point we have 4 layers, but it doesn't add that extra bulk that no one wants. So we have our leggings, our jeans, our knee-high sock, our thigh-high boot, and you are just gonna feel way more warm than if you just did 1 layer. And of course, now it is time for the top. So on top of my bodysuit, I typically like to wear knit sweaters during the winter, especially knit sweaters that have that turtleneck so that it adds extra warmth to the neck. But you can add anything on top of this bodysuit, which is really great. Bodysuits are really universal. You can add a dress on top and it gives you a completely different look. I always like having mock necks when wearing dresses. I think it looks really cute and it's super trendy. And you can even throw on a t-shirt on top of a bodysuit, and it's going to give you that extra layer. I like this one because it matches the black on my t-shirt, so I still think it looks really stylish and cute, but your arms are going to be super warm, which you are going to thank yourself. Of course, it is now time for outerwear, and like I said at the beginning, I did a whole video around jackets and my favorite winter jackets to stay warm but still look cute. But a hack I have for you is to find jackets, whether that's a denim jacket or a long jacket that has faux shearling in it. This is a hidden layer, and shearling can be a lot more warmer than fur. It's not going to add that extra bulk that sometimes is really annoying with jackets, but it's going to keep you just as warm as those bigger, bulkier jackets. Even when buying things like denim jacket, make sure it has that hidden layer of faux fur in the inside so it keeps you a lot more warm. Speaking of jackets, parka jackets are one of the most popular jackets to wear during winter time, of course, but a lot of the time winter jackets can be very bulky. You can lose your shape, so a hack I have for you is just to cinch your waist with a belt. This is an easy way to define your waist, to not lose your shape, and to really highlight your waist. I find highlighting the waist is super flattering and it gives you a slimmer appearance as well. Another hack for staying warm but still looking cute is to double up. So to wear 2 jackets. I feel like a lot of us just think we have to wear 1 jacket, but you can double up. And a good combo I like to always wear is a moto jacket. And the moto jacket I'm sharing with you right now is from Forever 21, and as well as a long peacoat. And this peacoat is also from Forever 21. It's giving you an extra layer, so you're going to be much warmer, but it's also super stylish and sleek. And when you go inside to a warmer place where there is heat and you're not as cold, you could just take off your peacoat and keep that moto jacket on so that you can remove the layers, and it's super simple but you still are going to be warm once you leave the place that you're at. Think about doubling up on jackets. I feel like a lot of us forget to do this. It just makes such a big difference, and I love to always have a shorter jacket and then a longer jacket to add more dimension to your outfit. It's just going to add a lot more to the outfit. And my last hack is definitely one of my favorite hacks I like to do during the winter time. During the winter, sometimes you do need to still wear heels. Maybe you're going to a wedding or an event where heels are needed and you need to dress up. So I like to always throw on a pair of matching color socks on top of my heels. So I'm just taking my black heels and black socks, and all I do is I put the sock on top of my shoe while I'm wearing it, and then you're gonna cut out a hole right where the heel is and then pull the heel through that hole. Of course, you need to make these wearable outside, so you need to add a grip on the bottom of the shoe, whether that's sandpaper, but you could do this to all your heels. Sock boots are still super trendy, and I personally love the look of them, so I love doing these to a bunch of my shoes. You can also make them into thigh-high boots, booties, or heels, but I been loving the sock boot that's a little bit shorter, and I think that it adds such a trendy and fashionable look to any outfit, and I definitely recommend. It's really affordable to just change up the look of even your heels if you're bored of it, and it's gonna keep your feet a lot more warmer than those heels from the beginning. But let me know which one was your favorite hack. I'm curious to know. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs it up if you did. Don't forget to click that subscribe button to join the family, because I do upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!